Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today you will learn how to calculate percentages without using a calculator, quickly, easily, and confidently. These simple mental math tricks will help you in exams, shopping discounts, taxes, budgeting, and daily life decisions. So stay till the end because I'll also give you a quick practice quiz to test your skills. First, let's understand the meaning of percentage. The word percent means out of 100. So when we say 25%, it simply means 25 out of 100. Percentages help us compare values quickly in studies, finance, and statistics. The basic formula is very simple. Percentage equal part whole x 100. If you score 45 marks out of 60, then your percentage is 45 divided by 60 multiplied by 100 equals 75%. The easiest percentage to calculate is 10%. To find 10%, just divide the number by 10. Example, 10% of 250 equals 25. Once you know 10%, you can find many other percentages easily. 5%, half of 10%. So 5% of 250 equals 12.5. 20%, double of 10%. 20% of 250 equals 50. 25%, 1/4 of the number. 25% of 200 equals 50. 50%, half of the number. 50% of 80 equals 40. These simple fraction ideas make percentage calculations super fast. Percentages are everywhere in daily life. Shopping discounts, know the final price instantly, exam scores, understand your performance, taxes, calculate total cost before paying, bank interest and savings, make smarter money decisions. So learning percentages is not just math, it's a life skill. Let's try a quick example. A shoe costs $50 and has a 20% discount. 20% of 50 equals 10. Final price equals 50,000 wons. 10 equals $40. No calculator needed. Avoid these common errors. Mixing up part and whole. Forgetting to multiply by 100. Wrong calculation of increase or decrease. Being careful with these will improve your accuracy. Try solving these. 1. What is 15% of 150? 2. A 30% discount on $200 saves how much? 3. Score 75 out of 90 equals what percentage? How many did you get right? Comment below. Now you know how to calculate percentages without a calculator using simple mental math tricks. Practice daily, and soon these calculations will feel automatic and easy. For more helpful learning guides and smart tools, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful educational videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.